Welcome to week 1 in the Set 1 Intro to Numbers 0 through 10 set of the Evolutionary Math Whiteboard routine. In this week, we'll be going into the Introduction to Routines for students and then Quantities and Numerals 1 through 5. So there's a lot of slides in each of these decks that go over content objectives and things like that. These overview videos are meant to just show you quickly how the slide animation works so you can get a quick gist and run with it in implementing with your students. And so we're just going to stick to the key slide animations and key math knowledge. Let's go to Monday. On Monday, students will first learn the routine for the warm-up, which in this case is just warming up their hands. We have them making simple grass strokes, or this will look like the number 1. And during this time, when they are practicing writing out on their board, you can move around and check that they're holding their markers correctly. So that's kind of the important stuff for this first one. And then we want to vary up sort of their hand movement and get numbers have curves and lines. And so we want them practicing these rainbow shapes, and the model will show them how to do it while you move around and check that they are holding their markers correctly. Throughout the week, we'll have 2 main targets. I can count and name a number, so practicing one-to-one correspondence, and I can write the name of a number. And it's going to start off really slow because we're building the routine, remember, as we're introducing the learning. So I'm actually going to skip the first one because it's number 1. All right, so after introducing students to the targets, we'll show them these beads and say, look at these beads. How many does it show? What is this? What number is this? And then students will probably call out 2 or whatnot, because at this stage, students can subitize 2 pretty quickly. But we're still going to have them count to check because we want them to practice one-to-one correspondence. So you'll use your slide animations and count as you click. 1, 2. It is the number 2. And then we'll show them how we write it. This is how we write it. Watch. And you can show them on your board once, and then you can let the model take over and move around and really support the students who need you the most. And if you have students who call out, I don't know how to do it. How do I do it again? Say, look at the board. It's showing you how to write it. Give it your best shot, and I'll move around and see you when I can. And so we also want to prompt them to practice a few times, and you can kind of see how they're doing. So this actually is what we do throughout the week. The next day we'll build out to 3 and 4. The next day we'll build out to 5, and then we'll do them in random order. But the goal is just for them to internalize how these routines work, to practice counting and to practice writing those numbers, and to give you a chance to really check to see that they are holding their markers correctly and beginning the process of writing their numbers correctly. All right, that's the gist for this week. Easy peasy.